To Wednesday, subscribe. We're gonna have two parts. Part one is the day trading bull, and part two is where I trade with someone. So we'll get quickly because not a lot of time. SkyQ at 71, out at 65, which is like a 9% mover. NCPL stop 97, and I'm out at 92. And Alib was just checking out, was a downtrend, and then I'm taking with no green candle. And so I said, see you later, guys. The market is dead. And NCPL took a break even, and SMX short 40, out at 36 now. That's another 9%. So it's like a 25%. Now let's go to part two. So I told him to get into glue. This is today. He's calling me to ask, let's trade. Okay. I told him take 24, but don't go red. I don't know what he was up to. I said 25 is hard to break, and as you can see here, 25 was the top. Should have shorted that as well, but that was a nice trade. If it was short. I told him about SPP. I said, I'm sorry I didn't alert it, but he already took it, so he was in already before I was able to alert him. It was a beautiful trade. I told him if it goes to the 13-ish, I would take a nice position again. And then I wrote like a minute later that the 15 break looks interesting, could go to 20 gap. So he didn't end up taking it. He's asking me if he can take the 15-20 when it was already like 16. So he said it's a good entry, yeah, but it's too late. It was like a few minutes later. It was ready, went to 15.40, and then it was just too late. Here we go. Beautiful call, went to 19 cents. That's that. And we have Relay. Here we took a little stop loss. Then we got him 66, and we're out at 72.50 for a nice 10%er. And he's asking me about Lucy. I didn't like it. I told him. Then I told him I missed NVVE. I was out, but then I was able to send him quickly an alert here, just under. But he was in beautiful, beautiful trade here. You can see in here below the $3, and he's out at like 340. Beautiful trade for 16%. Best looking now still. Yes, maybe 3-ish, I'd say. I took a 3 starter. I told him 12% BAM. I kept telling him to take that 3-ish. Could have taken another 10%. And I told him that is the best looking stock, and he should keep taking it if he can at the $3-ish zone, and he could have made another 20%. So in total, if you listened, you could have made like 30 to 40%.